Commercial bakeries must overcome many challenges in today's business environment. Finding solutions to improve profitability, reduce waste, and address evolving consumer trends are critical for bakeries to stay ahead of the game. Innophos has developed groundbreaking, technology-based solutions to improve your bottom line and help take your business to the next level. Introducing our newly expanded LEVAIR family of baking solutions. This portfolio includes several non-aluminum based solutions that build upon our well-known LEVAIR Classic sodium aluminum phosphate, also known as SALP. We developed these technologies to be used with a variety of flavors, including chocolate. Our patent-pending LEVAIR ESL maintains volume and texture and controls mold growth, resulting in reduced stales for packaged baked goods, all with less chemical preservatives. A recent study shows that after 90 days, a commercial cake product baked with LEVAIR ESL maintained volume and texture compared to the control, as tested both in our lab and by our sensory panel. A similar study demonstrates that a donut with LEVAIR ESL technology remains unchanged after 45 days, while the control became moldy and stale. Additionally, LEVAIR ESL technology has also proven effective in breads. LEVAIR ESL allows bakeries the time to ship more product through distribution, therefore offering expanded market reach while enabling retailers to maintain full displays. LEVAIR Select is a non-aluminum leavening solution with added health benefits, including reduced sodium and calcium fortification. Professional bakers are choosing LEVAIR Select as it performs similarly to our classic SALP. This can be seen by measuring the dough rate of reaction. Today's consumers are seeking high-protein, indulgent products as part of their healthy lifestyle. LEVAIR Fortify improves volume, texture, and dough machinability for these protein-fortified baked goods. LEVAIR Stabilize improves the stability of batter when exposed to stringent conditions such as elevated temperatures over time. This solution also maintains volume and texture while helping to reduce waste. In this study, cupcakes baked with LEVAIR Stabilize resulted in higher volume and 42% greater batter consistency than the control. LEVAIR Classic is our legacy SALP product which delivers slow, heat-reactive leavening for baked goods. Our innovative LEVAIR technology solves an array of challenges that bakers have faced for decades. The LEVAIR portfolio helps to improve your bottom line while also addressing key sustainability goals. LEVAIR is next-generation baking. Contact us today to start the conversation.